Sleep is essential. It's the foundation of our overall well-being and health. It's as important as eating well and exercising. Without adequate sleep, our bodies can't function optimally. When we sleep, our bodies and minds can rest and recharge. This downtime is crucial for repairing tissues, consolidating memories, and releasing growth hormones. Waking up refreshed helps us seize the day. A good night's sleep sets a positive tone for the day ahead. We make better decisions and feel happier. Our cognitive functions, such as attention, memory, and problem-solving, are significantly enhanced. Good sleep improves our health and well-being. It strengthens our immune system, reduces stress, and even helps maintain a healthy weight. Unfortunately, many people struggle to get enough sleep. Insomnia and other sleep disorders are common issues that affect millions. Stress and busy schedules keep us up at night. The pressures of modern life can make it difficult to unwind and fall asleep. This is where bedtime routines come in handy. Establishing a consistent routine can signal to our bodies that it's time to wind down. A relaxing routine signals to our bodies that it's time to sleep. Activities like reading, light stretching, or meditation can help prepare us for a restful night. Bedtime stretching is a wonderful addition to any routine. It not only prepares your body for a restful night, but also helps in calming your mind. Incorporating a few minutes of gentle stretches before bed can make a significant difference in how you feel. Gentle stretches offer numerous benefits. They can improve flexibility, reduce muscle stiffness, and enhance overall well-being. By dedicating a small portion of your evening to stretching, you can set the tone for a peaceful night. Stretching before bed can help relax your muscles. This relaxation is crucial for unwinding after a long day. It allows your body to release built-up tension and stress, making it easier to drift into a deep sleep. It can also ease tension built up during the day. Whether it's from sitting at a desk, physical activity, or daily stressors, stretching helps alleviate this tension, promoting a sense of calm and tranquility. This can promote a sense of calm and relaxation. When your body feels at ease, your mind follows suit. This connection between body and mind is essential for achieving a restful night's sleep. When we relax our muscles, we relax our minds. This dual relaxation can lead to a more profound and uninterrupted sleep, allowing you to wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. This can lead to falling asleep quicker and easier. By creating a bedtime routine that includes stretching, you signal to your body that it's time to wind down and prepare for rest. Stretching also increases blood flow. Enhanced circulation ensures that oxygen and essential nutrients are efficiently delivered throughout your body, aiding in muscle recovery and overall health. Improved circulation helps deliver oxygen and nutrients throughout the body. This not only supports physical health but also contributes to mental clarity and emotional balance. This can further enhance relaxation and sleep quality. By making stretching a part of your nightly ritual, you pave the way for a more serene and restorative sleep experience. This routine includes gentle stretches. It's easy to do and perfect for beginners. Hold each stretch for 15 to 30 seconds. Remember to breathe deeply and relax. Focus on your body and release any tension. You can do this routine in your pajamas. Find a comfortable spot on the floor or your bed. Listen to calming music if you like. The goal is to create a peaceful atmosphere. Section 4, Step-by-Step Guide to Relaxation. In this section, we will guide you through a series of gentle stretches and poses designed to help you unwind and release tension from your body. These exercises can be done at any time of the day, but they are especially effective before bedtime to promote a restful night's sleep. For the next stretch, gently tilt your head to the side. Feel the stretch along the side of your neck. This simple movement can help relieve tension that builds up from sitting at a desk or looking at screens for long periods. Bring your ear towards your shoulder. Hold for a few breaths, then switch sides. Next, we move on to the cat-cow pose, a classic yoga sequence that helps to stretch and strengthen the spine. Start on your hands and knees. Ensure your wrists are directly under your shoulders and your knees are under your hips. This position sets the foundation for the cat-cow pose. Inhale deeply and arch your back like a cat, drawing your belly button towards your spine. This movement helps to open up the spaces between your vertebrae. Exhale, drop your belly towards the mat and look up. This is the cow position. Repeat this sequence several times, moving with your breath. This flow helps to increase flexibility and relieve tension in the back. Now, move into child's pose. This pose is excellent for relaxation and stretching the lower back. Kneel on your mat with your knees wide apart. big toes touching. Sit back on your heels and extend your arms forward. Bring your forehead to the floor and extend your arms in front of you. Rest in this pose for a few breaths, allowing your body to relax and your mind to calm. For the knee to chest stretch, lie on your back and hug your knees to your chest. This pose helps to release tension in the lower back and hips. Hold and breathe deeply, feeling the stretch in your lower back. Finally, we will do the lying spinal twist. This pose is great for stretching the spine and relieving tension in the back. Hug your knees to your chest. This initial position helps to lengthen the spine and prepare for the twist. Extend your arms to the sides, creating a T-shape with your body. This helps to stabilize your upper body during the twist. Drop both knees over to one side, keeping your shoulders grounded. This twist helps to release tension in the lower back and hips. Turn your head the opposite way to deepen the stretch. Hold this position for a few breaths, then switch sides. This completes our step-by-step guide to relaxation. Practice these poses regularly to maintain flexibility and reduce stress. Section 5. Embrace the power of stretching. Incorporating these stretches into your routine can improve your sleep. You may find yourself falling asleep faster. You may also experience deeper, more restful sleep. Remember, consistency is key. Make bedtime stretching a habit. Enjoy the journey to better sleep.